When she was at the university, she decided, because she went on to the University of Warsaw, then studied in Paris, that she decided that she really wasn't religious. At least not in the sense of observant. And so on Yom Kippur, one Yom Kippur, when she was, 18 maybe, or something like that, she went into a cafe. And her first time in her life, she ordered a coffee. She drank it. She wrote a letter. And she paid for it with money that she held in her hands. And then she came home, and either then or a day or two later, she told her parents. And at least her mother. I don't know if her father was still alive, but she told her family. And their reaction was, well, at least you did what you believed in. And she told me, she knew that if she had come home, she had expected they'd throw her out. But she knew that if she had come home and said, I've decided I'm going to keep kosher at home, but I'm going to eat non-kosher out, they would have thrown her out. It's either or. And she had that same Orthodox culture. I didn't realize that until much later in my life with respect to her secularism.